difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a skincare routine if you are a beginner, because what I've seen is people keep complaining my skin's not good, I have pimples, I have acne, my skin's bad, my skin's oily, my skin's too dry, and those people don't even have a skincare routine, they don't even wash their face, which is absurd. So in this video I'm going to go through the basics of skincare. So skincare is like, according to me, I'd say there's skincare for beginners, skincare for intermediates, and advanced skincare. So in this video I'm going to talk about skincare for beginners. Like, I'll just go through cleansing, like washing your face, cleansing it, exfoliating, and using a hair mask. This is what I'll go through in this video. Also, let's not forget this video sponsor, Hipster. This company sent me their products a while ago and they told me to make a video on it, a review video, and I'm going to review that too. And what I found that this company's products are cheap and affordable and has pretty good ingredients, and they send products for cleansing only. So hey, cleansing products are for beginners, you know? And then you start moisturizing and stuff, that's for intermediates, but people who don't have a skincare routine should start off by cleansing first. So yeah, Hipster sent me their products, which is super good. Like, it's really so good. I mean, ingredients are good and yeah, works pretty well. So yeah, I've shown you like other two skincare products of mine, which are like Wow Skincare and Teach Hanley. Like Teach Hanley and Wow Skincare, like they're intermediate to advanced skincare, but this is awesome for beginners. So let's jump right into this video. I'll start off by wetting my face, and the three products this company sent is a face wash, a face scrub, and a face mask by the company Hipster. The face wash has good ingredients, milk protein and stuff. Only bad thing it has is sodium lauryl sulfate. I'll discuss about that later in this video. So as you saw, I just wet my face, put face wash, and just cleansed it and washed it off. After that, apply face scrub to exfoliate your skin. You have to do this 2 times a week, and that helps remove dead skin cells and reveal nice and glowing skin. After that, towel dry your skin, and then apply peel-off mask. This is the first time applying a peel-off mask, so the application process was a bit sketchy. So yeah, as for the mask, they had good ingredients in it, and comparing this product with Wow and Teach Hanley, this product is not better than Wow and Teach Hanley, but if you want skincare on a budget and you're a beginner, this product, you can try it out. Only problem it has sodium lauryl sulfate and methylparaben, the ingredients which I don't suggest. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, turn the notifications bell on, and follow me on Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana. The topic of discussion for today's video is how many times a day do you wash your face, and yeah, how many times a day do you wash your face? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.